Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Today we will make a dimsum and we will introduce ourselves.
My name is Juliansyah.
Hello, my name is Jasmine Helwa M.
Hello, my name is Yulianti Hanafiah.
My name Ranu Sahirah W.
My name is Rahmanisa Amelia C.R.N.
My name is Rakha.
The following are the ingredients we will use to make dimsum. There are tofu, green onion, eggs, carrots, starch flour, seasoning broth, and wonton wrapper.
Mash the tofu with a spoon.
Add carrots, green onion, salt, seasoning broth, egg and onions. Mix well, add starch flour, stir again until blended. Don't forget the tasty taste.
Take a knocked dog and place it on the wonton wrapper, shape as usual. Just cut the edges of the skin.
If you have put it in the container.
Steam for 1 hour. Previously, the steamer has been heated. If it is cooked, drain.
Tofu dimsum is ready to be served. Add more sauce as a dip.
Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.